I'm on the floor and I'm going to teach you how to plank properly. Think about a table flat across and the legs of the table straight down. So when you plank, you don't want to have just your back flat and your hands going this way and your feet going that way. You want to be like a table, flat and stacked. All righty, so instead of going down to a plank, I'm going to bring you up into a plank. So you're going to place your toes underneath your ankles, your elbows underneath your shoulders, your nose is going to face the floor. You're never going to hang your head. You're going to try to keep your head in line with the rest of your spine. Very good to protect your neck. So your nose is here. All I want you to do is to flex those quads, squeeze those glutes, tighten your tummy muscles, and just push up through the elbows. Now my hips are in line with my shoulders. They're not up here and they're not down there. So you want to keep everything in a nice alignment. Nose is towards the floor. Tummy is nice and tight. And breathe. To come out of this, just break at the knee and then walk yourself back and take a break. If this is too hard for you, the next level, or the easiest level, is with your hands on the floor. Again, just like a table, you want the legs of the table under the top. So you get your arms straight under your shoulders, put your body weight there, extend your legs behind you, keeping those toes under the ankles. So say you're here and you start drifting, just walk yourself forward and keep your hips in line with your shoulders, your nose straight down. Try not to hang at the head. Pull your head up so that your neck is straight. Tummy is tight. Don't go into a pike and don't start to sag. So you want to stay here. Breathe. Let's come out of this, break at the knee, and there you go. That's your planks. If you're starting TRX classes with me, very important for you to start planking because you need to have that core tight. And anyone that's going to be planking, you want to try and make sure that you work on that tight, strict form, okay? So just like a table, flat back, arms or elbows or wrists underneath the shoulders, toes under the ankles, tummy tight, glutes squeezed, and breathe. So much to do. Okay, I'll see you when we do the next one. The next video is going to be abs. See you later.